はい、皆さん、おはようございます。
おはようございます。
おはようございます。I'm just putting on the audio. Please let me know if you're not able to listen.
おばあさん、おじさん、
Was it audible? Everybody?
はい。
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Okay.
2. 超音。
おばさん、おばあさん、おじさん、おじいさん、雪、勇気、え、取る、通る、ここ、高校、部屋、平野、カード、タクシー、スーパー、テープ、ノート、
3. 発音。
鉛筆、みんな、天気、禁煙、
Okay, so these were the tracks I had played, would be sending you. These are the tracks we get in the Minna no Nihongo books, and I played the Hatsuon, the Cho-on. Cho-on as in prolonged vowels. When you say Cho-on, it is prolonged vowels. So there was Yuki, Yuki. There was Obasan. There was also Oba-san. So words look same. They just have a Cho-on. That is, they have a sound that is prolonged. You have done the vowels, right? So that is long vowels, Cho-on. Okay.
第一課、言葉、私、私たち、あなた、あの人、あの方、皆さん、さん、ちゃん、くん、じん、先生、教師、学生、会社員、社員、銀行員、医者、研究者、エンジニア、大学、病院、電気、誰、どなた、歳、何歳、おいくつ、はい、いいえ。失礼ですが、お名前は？はじめまして。どうぞよろしくお願いします。こちらは、さんです。から来ました。
Okay, so this was, we had seen this in the Rebun and the Bunke. So this was that scene. Okay, going on to the Kaiwa. So the Kaiwa we had seen that day.
会話。はじめまして。
おはようございます。
おはようございます。あ、佐藤さん。こちらはマイク・ミラーさんです。はじめまして。マイク・ミラーです。アメリカから来ました。どうぞよろしく。
佐藤恵子です。どうぞよろしく。
So shall we begin? Okay, I'm taking the revision of the same Reibun and Bunke we had read last class. So, darega kimasu ka? Darega yomimasu ka? Who would be reading it? The first sentence. Yes, I'll just share the textbook so that if you don't have the textbooks in front of you, you can see and you can say the sentence. Hai, miemasu ka? Gamen ga miemasu ka? Gamen is screen. Miemasu is visible. Gamen ga miemasu ka minasan? You can say hi miemasu. Otherwise, ie, just ie.
Hi.
Hi miemasu ne? Hi. Bunke no
Hi,
ichi.
Miyamas.
Hi miemasu. Hi, kore wa ichiban. Ichiban dare ga yomimasu ka? Who will read ichiban? Number 1. This word, you know, it is Maikumira. We would be starting with katakana today. So in the meantime, ichiban dare ga yomimasu ka? Hey, Dozo. There are so many sentences. We are going to repeat them today. Hi, okay, I'll help you out. First sentence, Watashi wa Maikumira desu. Second sentence, there was Santosu. So this is Santosu. The other things you can read in hiragana. So this is Santosu. Again there is Mira. Again there is Santosu. Okay, Niban dare ga yomimasu ka? Who would read Niban?
Sensei will just tell the name and he or she will read it.
Okay. Hi, Kundan-san, hajimete kudasai. Niban.
Santosu san wa gakusei ja arimasen.
Hi. Santosu-san wa gakusei ja arimasen. Otherwise, dewa arimasen.
Deva arimasen.
So I assume you know the meanings. Whenever we are reading out sentences, I assume that you know the meanings. Exactly Japanese to English, it's not possible. Sometimes possible, sometimes not. Take help of our languages, Hindi, Marathi. But then when you do actual translation, somewhere or the other, you have to put that meaning and make a correct translation. E to J, J to E. That is English to Japanese, Japanese to English.
Hi.
Okay. Hi. Arigato. Hi. Tsugi wa dare desu ka? 3番 Akhilesh-san yomimasu ka? Akhilesh-san wa imasen ka? Ashish-san yomimasu ka? Kore, 3番です。Mira-san. Mira-san. Hai. Priya-san imasu ka? Priya-san doko desu ka? 3番 yomimasu ka? Will you try reading 3番, number 3?
रीड करताना अनम्यूट कराल स्वतःला प्लीज.
Everybody is there, but they are not responding.
Yeah, they are on mute, so they should unmute themselves.
Yeah, please unmute yourself and you can say the sentence. Priya-san imasu ka? I think Priya-san is there. Priya-san. Okay. Tayyaba-san, do desu ka? 3番読みますか? I hope my voice is clear. Everything is clear.
Hi.
Right?
Hi. Hi.
Okay. はい。3番
Uh,
読んでください。はい。
Maiku-san wa
それはミラさんです。
sorry. Mira-san wa kaisha-in desu ka?
ですか? エワビですか? The pattern is エワビですか?
エワビですか?
はい。はい。ありがとう。次は4番。 4番、誰が読みますか ?Prajwal さんいますか ?Prajwal さんそこにいますかとか、Harsh さんも OK です。Harsh さん読んでください。4番、これを読んでください。これは、サントス、サントス。はい。
サントシュさんは、サントシュ、
はい、
サントシュも、
会社員
会社員ではありません。
です。
です。
OK? So, サントスさんも会社員です。サントス is
サントシュ
also
さんも会社員です。
Yes, so Mr. Santosu is also a company employee. Instead of wa, now we are putting your mo. So a mo be this, ne? It is not ava mo be this. Generally, students they put va and mo together, but when there is mo, you have to remove va. So a mo be this. Santosu san mo kaisha in this, ne? Right. So what is this ne? I always say ne. So ne is isn't it? These are all particles. So right from now, if I start talking to you in Japanese, you'll understand where is ne used, where is ka used. So it becomes easier to understand in the later stage. Hai, so Rebun. Rebun no ichiban. Hai, ima Apurwa-san yomimasu ka? Kore wa Maiku Mira desu. Maiku Mira.
あなた
はい。
あなたはマイク・ミラーさんですか？はい。私はマイク・ミラーさんです。
はい。私はマイク・ミラです。Okay. You get the meaning when you read あなたはマイク・ミラさんですか? What is the meaning? あなたはマイク・ミラさんですか? 意味なんですか? はい。あなたは is you. マイク・ミラさんですか? Are you Mr. Miller? Are you Mr. Mike Miller? はいね。
Yes.
はい。次ははい、私はマイク・ミラです。So he is responding, he is saying that yes, I am Mike Miller. はい、そうですね。次は2番。今、プリアさん読みますか？プリアさんのマイクは大丈夫ですか？マイクは OK ですか？ Is プリアさん 's mic OK?Last time it was not audible, so please unmute and see. マイク・ミラ。ミラですね。2番はミラです。誰が読みますか ?First sentences. If not Priya-san, who else can speak? はい、どうぞ。はい、アキレシさんはどう？アキレシさんはいますね。読みますか？What happened today?
They are all mute.
Generally, this doesn't happen. But yes. Yes, you can start reading.
Santo-san wa engineer desu ka?
You are on third. We have to read second. That is Mira, ne? Mira. これはミラです。ミラさんは
Mira-san wa gakusei desu ka?
いえ not audible. いえ、私は学生じゃありません。会社員です。OK ですか？はい、次、number 3. Who will try reading number 3? シャンボビさん、読みますか？
はい。ウォンさんはエンジニアですか？いいえ、ウォンさんはエンジニアじゃありません。医者です。
はい、いいです。 So Shambhavi-san knows katakana already. Kundan-san knows katakana. That is why they are saying words in katakana. Do not worry. You all will also be able to say. Hi. Yomban. Ima. Okay, you understood the meaning. Wan-san wa engineer desu ka? Is Wan, is Mr. Wan an engineer? Iie. Wan-san wa engineer ja arimasen. No, he is not an engineer. He is a doctor. Isha desu ne? Hai, tsugi wa 4番 今、はい、今、アシシさん読みますか ?4 番、アシシさん。はい。
खाता
はい。
दोनाता
ですか
देश का
はい。あの方はどなたですかあの方は
खाता वा दोना देश का
どなたですか Okay. So that is watto. Here, watto has been written in katakana. Watto. Yes, you can continue, Ashish-san. Watto.
सान
はい。
सांसो सु सांसो
This. Sorry, はでですね。でとすです。そう、ワトさんです。
वातो सान देशु
はい。あとはこれ何ですか
साकु
はい。
साकु
ら。
रा
So when these
ど
kanjis come, you have to refer on top. Yes.
ど
Dai.
い
Dai.
दाई दाई को का खा दाई
गाकू.
खा गाकू
はい。
नो
No.
लेटर
Sen.
से सेन सेई
はい。先生です。
です
はい。Once again. もう一度。あの
आनो खाई
方は
खाता वा दो दो दोनों
どなた
दोनाता दोई
ですか
दोई जिसका
はい。わっと
वातो सान दोई
です。
जिसका
Okay. わっとさんです。Then there is
साकू
桜
साकुरा दो दाई जिसका
大学の
दाई दाकुनो
先生
सेन से
です。
this
Okay, now
Su.
one thing
This
I
is-
am noticing that the newcomers are not able to say the or identify the hiragana. So newcomers as in Ashish-san, there is Shruti-san. Shruti-san, I have not asked you yet. There are some more. So I think please practice on hiragana. I'll give you a test. On the group, I'll send you a test paper. All others, you have done this, right? So all others, I had given you this test already. We had solved here in the class. So you all please practice hiragana. I'll send you the test paper by tonight and try solving it without seeing. Okay,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
will have to take some time for hiragana. Believe me, it's very easy. Once it is done, you don't have to see hiragana again and again. So it's that simple. Once it is done, it is done. For lifelong, you will never ever forget. Same applies to katakana. If you learn at the first instance, you do it like you do it little bit of learning you do in the starting, then you don't have to refer them as such. Kanjis you need help. Kanjis sometimes you need help because there are different readings to the kanjis. We have not yet started, but hiragana and katakana is very easy. Just so you can finish it up, and that's why today you all practice. Those who have specially come new, so you all practice today. I don't think Shambhavi-san, Kundan-san will need practice, but even Akhilesh-san is doing good in the hiraganas. So all others, please practice for some while. You'll do it. Because these texts we would be reading now. Throughout these texts would be there. There would be no, Romaji would not be there now. So we have to read this with an ease, very nicely. Okay, Goban desu ne. Goban Shruti-san yomimasu ka? Kore wa Teresa desu. Katakana de Teresa.
Teresa Shanha. Shanva. Sorry.
Wa desu. Hi. Teresa Chanva.
Teresa Chanva.
Hi.
Nansai desu ka?
Hi. Nansai desu ka? Kyusai desu.
Kyusai desu.
Hi. Everybody, the newcomers, do you know the numbers? Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyuju?
Hi.
Everybody knows? Have you done with Varat Sensei?
No, ma'am, not all.
At least 10? You have done 10 of them?
Hi.
No, ma'am. Randomly 2, 3, 4, not 1 to 10.
You have done 1 to 10. Yes, that is what I'm asking. 1 to 10. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyuju. So that is Q. This is Q. That is done, right? Okay. Once I will ask you to say them one by one. Please learn these numbers also. Just 1 to 10. Others are simple. Hi. I want 3 people. Sato-san, Yamada-san and Mira-san. So we have to repeat this. We have to go little slow because yet some of them are lagging behind. So we cannot just run for the lessons just to complete the syllabus. We have to go slow and steady. So we'll complete this also. Hajime mashite. Hi. Dare to dare ga yomimasu ka? Sato-san wa dare desu ka? Who will be Sato-san? Who will be Yamada-san? Who will be Mira-san? Wherever you get stuck up, I'll help you with the words. Do you want to listen to the CD once again where they had said this kaiwa? So that you'll come to know what kind of intonations are used, how the pronunciation is used. I'll just start with the audio. Was it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Kaiwa. Hajimemashite.
おはようございます。
おはようございます。あ、佐藤さん。こちらはマイク・ミラーさんです。はじめまして。マイク・ミラーです。アメリカから来ました。どうぞよろしく。
佐藤恵子です。どうぞよろしく。
Once again.
会話。はじめまして。
おはようございます。
おはようございます。あ、佐藤さん。こちらはマイク・ミラーさんです。はじめまして。マイク・ミラーです。アメリカから来ました。どうぞよろしく。
佐藤恵子です。どうぞよろしく。
Now will it be simpler? では今誰と誰が読みますか？佐藤さんは誰ですか？
おはようございます。
それは誰ですか？アシシさんですか？アキレシさんですか？はい、アキレシさん is 佐藤。Okay? Then Yamada さん is はい、誰ですか？
Ohayou gozaimasu.
誰ですか？名前は？
Tayyaba.
さんです。はい。Tayyabaさん is 山田さん。はい。それでミラさん Who will be ミラさん Anybody? Mira san. Who will play Mira san's role? Kore. Yes, anyone? Kundan san, yomimasu ka? Mira san no kotoba? Hai. Hai, ima kara hajimemashou. Hai, dozo. Akilesh san, Tayyaba san to Mira san ne. Hai, dozo. You can start.
おはようございます。
Hi, Yamada san.
San? Sorry.
Your voice was lagging. Can you repeat the word Yamada san? Hi, Tayyaba san.
Hi.
Okay. Hi, Korewa. Okay, Tayyaba-san, there is some problem in the network. Anybody else whose network is okay and he or she can speak? Yamada-san's role? Hi, dozo.
Ohayou gozaimasu. Santosh-san, Sato-san.
Hi.
Kochira wa American.
Maiku
Mira. Maiku Mira-san desu.
Hi.
Haji.
Correct.
Hi, Tayyaba-san, you can wait because it's already finished. Hi, Mira-san.
Hajime mashite. Maiku Mira desu. America kara kimashita. Dozo yoroshiku.
Hi, Sato-san. Sato-san.
नाही हे नाही वाचता येणार. हाय.
Sato Keiko desu.
सातोके को देस.
Hi.
दोजो योरोशिको.
Hi, dozo yoroshiku. So this was Sato's role again. She's saying my name is Sato and her surname and pleased to meet you. So generally what happens, you have to focus on these hiraganas. There are kanjis written from lesson number 1. So everywhere where you can see these kanjis, and these are a combination of kanjis, jukugos they are. So you just have to focus on this hiragana written on top, because in level 1, level 2, it's difficult to understand these kanjis. We don't have these kanjis in our lessons, okay? Frankly speaking, this we have. This is kimashita, to come. Kuru, this is kanji of kuru. And this is hajimeru. This also I think we don't have. So this is in level 4. Again, Sato kanji, then Yamada kanji. So now you are considering them very difficult, and then it's like, what is this? How can I read this? But don't focus on these kanjis, focus on the hiragana. Okay. And in the exams also, you would be having this hiragana. So they will not give you directly the kanjis, except the Mojigoi paper. Mojigoi paper is a vocabulary paper wherein they will be giving you these kanjis and you have to find out the reading of these kanjis. So do not worry for the paper right now. Just try reading the text. Hi, okay, this. So that was this. Okay. So now in Renshu A, what do we have? Renshu, generally it is a self-study part. So what you have to read in Renshu? Watashiwa, Maiku, Mira, desu. So in your books, you can write down in Renshu A, what is in number 1? It is Maiku, Mira, desu. They will not put san because we don't put san for ourselves. For others, we use san. Watashiwa, Kaisha in desu. So this is, you have to do the practice of speaking. Watashiwa, Maiku, Mira, desu. Watashiwa, Kaisha in desu. Next coming, Watashiwa. Now this name we don't know, it is in katakana. Just write ABC. So Watashiwa, ABC ja arimasen. Okay, we don't know the katakanas, forget it. So Watashiwa, ABC ja arimasen. This is Karu Schmitto, Carl Schmidt. So I am not Mr. Carl Schmidt. So I am somebody else. Karu Schmitto. Then here it is watashi wa engineer ja arimasen. I am not an engineer. He might be somebody else by profession. Okay, this may take time. Again, you please practice on Rebun and Bunke first, then we can move ahead with all of these. Okay, so today I will send the test paper for those who have not given the test. Okay, in Renshu B, now generally what happens, we solve the Renshu B in the class. So now here katakana is there mostly. So we will try, if you are able to do, we will do it now. Otherwise, we'll skip it and do it after some days when we complete katakana. So ima this is Mira. This is written Mira, and here you can see this is Ray. Ray means example. Now in first part they have written Mira. He is from America. As we don't have the books also, we cannot write on the side. So this is Mira, this is America, and this is Kaisha in. So Mira-san, he is from America. This is the map of that country, and he is a Kaisha in. His profession is a company employee. So in the Ray they have written it is Mira-san wa America jindes. So they are focusing here on the nationality. So Miller is an American. So Mira-san wa America jindes. Like this, further also the country that these people belong to, you have to say Eva be this. You just have to put this jin over here. So Mira-san wa America jindes. This was a Ray. This was an example. Now in Ichiban, there is Yamada. This you can read. Yamada ne. This is Nihon. If you want to write, this kanji will be coming for us. Nihon ne. Japan. It is called Nihon. It is called Nippon also. Tsugiwa Ginko-in. Ginko-in. That is a bank employee. This is his designation, his profession, and here it is his country. So Yamada is from she's from Japan. So Eva be this. How you will say Yamada-san wa this, and here you have to put jin at the suffix. So Nihon jin this. So here answer will be Yamada-san wa Nihonjin des. Was it easy? Yamada-san wa Nihonjin des. Eva be des. Kantan deshita ka? Was that simple or was that difficult?
Little bit difficult.
Hi, Nandeska?
Little bit difficult.
Little bit difficult. Okay.
Yeah, that's kanjis.
Okay, here you're finding kanjis, hence it is difficult. Okay. Okay, I'll help you out wherever kanjis and katakana are coming. So here a lot of katakana is there. Now coming on to Watto. Just read it, you don't do anything now. Watto. Mr. Watt. Igiresu. This is England and this is Sensei. So Mr. Watt is from England and he is a teacher. Okay. So now we just have to say Watto-san is an Englishman. So Igiresu jin desu. Watto-san wa Igirisu jin desu. Eva bi desu ne. Watto-san wa Igirisu jin desu. Okay. Okay. Number 3. Now what is there? Here it is Thawapon. Thawapon, that is his name, and he has come from Thailand. So Thawapon-san wa Thaijin desu. Eva be this. In B you have to put that jin. So Thawapon-san wa Thaijin desu. And fourth is Shumitto. Shumitto. So Shumitto-san wa Doitsu jin desu. Now Deutsch, the word Deutsch has been transferred. It's translated into
German.
Japanese. Yeah, so that's why it's Doitsu. So some words are different for Germany, for Korea, China. Some words are different. Exactly, the words are not like the ones in English. Like India is Indo, America is America, France is Furansu. But Germany, they have taken that word Deutsch and then they have translated that as Doitsu. So hence Germany is Doitsu ne. So Shumitto-san wa Doitsu jin desu. Eva be desu. Okay, so let's keep this for next, I mean, after 1 or 2 classes, we will do this because a lot of katakanas are there. So let's wait. So all of this, Renshu B has to be solved in the notebooks. Renshu C is okay, we can discard Renshu C. It is a dialogue, as in A and B is saying, they are saying, A is saying, Shitsure desu ga, onamae wa, excuse me, what is your name? B is saying, E desu, my name is E. A asks, Ri san desu ka? E desu. So she is rectifying the name. Instead of Ri, it is E. So that is the kaiwa. And then in this kaiwa, where there you can see the dashes. So instead of this E, you have to put this santosu over here. So santosu, and in Niban there is santasu. You can see the difference, santosu and santasu. So those who are understanding, they can read today as an exercise. Renshu C, they can read. Then there is vatto, there is atto, tavapon, tanapon. So this way you have to replace these words in 1 and 2. And this is again a spoken part. So this initially you can take, later on if you don't take, that's okay, no problem. Because we are already going to read kaivas, we are going to read rebun and bunke in the class. So do not worry. And then we would be having mondai. So mondai is, I would be putting a CD. That CD has certain questions. The speaker asks us certain questions, like he will ask, "Oh, namae wa nan desu ka?" That means, what is your name? So you have to give your answer as in, "Watashi wa sejil desu." Okay. So like this, you have to give your own answers. Everybody's answer would differ. What is your profession? What do you do? Are you a student? So like these questions are there in this mondai. Mondai is a question. So this is a CD. Then Niban also there is a CD wherein they greet each other. So if they are greeting Ohayo gozaimasu, it will not be number 1. It will not be number 3 also. It will be number 2, right? Because you can see the time period. So like this, you have to guess and give the answers. So this is the mondai we will be doing in the class. Then this is Maru and Batsu. Now what happens? There is a small dialogue, a short kaiwa played in the CD, and later on, after the beep, a lady speaks a statement. She says a statement. So whether her statement is it's right or wrong, you have to say. So right in Japanese is Maru, and wrong is Batsu. You don't put a tick mark the way we put a tick mark in our methods. So it's not, there's no tick mark over there. If the answer is correct, you cannot put this tick mark. You have to put this Maru. That is, your answer is correct. This is correct. And this is wrong. This is Batsu. Maruto Batsu. And then here again, we have a little bit of exercise. Okay, we will start with katakana. We will need some time. We will go slow. What you do is, please practice the rebun, bunke, and the kaiwa once again. Okay, once you take a grip on the language, the script, we will go fast. Do not worry. So, imakara katakana hajimemashou. So the simpler one is katakana. We will complete with katakana. Okay, so I'll just send this to you. You may take out your notebooks and we'll start writing the katakana. So I'll send you in a short while. So, hi. Again, the order is the same. A, ka, sa, ta, na. Ha, ma, ya, ra, wa. And last, an or That is the tategaki. Then this is aiueo, kaki kukeko, sashi suseso, tachi tsuteto, nani no ne no, hahi huheho, mami mumemo, ya yu yo, rari rurero, wa. There is no O. Actually, there is, but they have not written that there is wo. I'll explain you how it is. And an. So we'll put the video that we had earlier shown. Oh, okay. I don't have the katakana video as in. All right. So I'll try connecting my phone and I'll just explain you how to make it. Give me a minute. Okay, meanwhile, we can start with katakanas, everybody. So I'll share the screen and in a moment I'll, so that I can also make the katakana letters. Okay, so starting is A. I'm just unable to connect. To connect my screen to this. So what we can do is, do you have Jishos in front of you, everybody? In your mobile phones, do you have a Jisho?
Hi.
So meanwhile, can we make use of that Jisho? So you can see Kana table. When you click on to Jisho, on the right side, 3 dots are there. Click on those dots. You will be directed to the Kana table. First is Hiragana. Click on it. Again, it will go to Katakana. So now you can see this A. How is the stroke of A? First the top line, then the bottom line. So 1, 2. So it will be like 1, 2. 1 and 2. Not able to draw properly, but yes, please take help of Jisho. So top line, bottom line, that is A. So everybody is writing it. At least 5 katakana characters you can write. 5 to 6, at least one line. So once you have completed one line, and use pencils while drawing. Better to use pencils because we are going to make errors. So whenever the character is not correct, we can easily rub it and we can rectify it. Hi, Kureva adesne. Anu ato wa E. Again E, how you have to make the standing line first. 1, it's a slanting line. So go from top to bottom. It will be like this 1 and then straight line. So this is a vertical line that will also come from top to bottom. So 1, 2, 2 strokes to E. E this. So give a U. Now how you can see U? The top stem first and then this second part and then a 7 like figure, that is number 3. So 1, 2 and then 3. So sorry U this ne U. Hi minasan, U no ato wa A this ne. So first the sleeping line, then the standing line and then another sleeping line at the bottom. Okay, so just a minute. it's taking time. So students, this is not working. So just I will set up earlier and then we will start with that. So as of now, katakana, can you see the screen and you can try making it? Making the hiraganas. Sorry about that because it's taking a lot of time. Hi, ito a, e, u, a, then o. How to make o? That is sleeping line, then the standing line with a hook like this, and then a line like a roof. So coming like this. So that is a, e, u, a, o. That is a, e, u, a, o. If possible, I'll put it on the YouTube. It's there on the YouTube as well. So let me see. Okay, I got it finally. So
いいうえお
okay, so shall I put IUAO again or shall we go ahead with Kaki Kukeko? What shall we do?
I'm Kaki Kukeko.
Okay.
Ka ki
Now in ki, what was happening? It was the same like hiragana. It's just not having a hook like figure over here, and it's not having that one more dash over here. So little bit of differences are there. So some letters resemble to the ones we had written in hiragana. So here ki is also one of them.
木くくけけここ
Okay. Should I replay Kaki Kuke ko? Or shall we go ahead? I mean, that will be too much. Sashi Suseso. So that will be 15 letters. Would you be able to write 15 letters today? Aka, I, Ueo, Kaki Kuke ko, Sashi Suseso.
Hi.
Okay, that was Akhilesh san, right? What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Will
Hi.
you be able to write?
Hi.
Hi.
Great.
Hi.
Great. All right.
ささ
This is she. Now in she, there are 3 letters that resemble this kind of figure. It is she, there is su, there is an, there is so. So what happens in this? The top part is coming first, then the bottom part. This you have to remember. Generally, students make a mistake. They make this part first. Left wala pehle, fir right wala. But it is wrong. First make the top one, then the bottom one. So this is the point of differentiation between she and su. In su, it is happening other way around. So bottom and top it is coming. So here top and then bottom part, and then it is coming from down like a tick mark. So it is going from down to up. So here it is little thicker, and when it is going on the top, it is pointed. It's not blunt. It's sharp. So that is about she.
ししすすせせそそ
That is enough. Aiueo, kaki kukeko, sashi suseso. So there's a gap of 1 day, so you would be able to write all 3 series. Akasa. Along with that, you can practice hiragana because hiragana still needs a little bit of practice. Okay, one more thing I wanted to show you. Now he's Benjiro Sensei, and there are these videos already available. For example, if I take this. Now Benjiro Sensei, he is talking to a Japanese national, so a lot of videos are uploaded like this, and they are talking for I mean the basic conversation, hajime mashite, doko ni sunde imasu ka, etc, etc. We yet have to do a lot of words, but in meanwhile you can listen to at least one audio a day, and you can get to know what he's typing. Everything he's typing in English. So we will start with maybe this.
神戸 私は日本の神戸で生まれました。神戸出身です。
So he asked her, where do you live? Again, I will put it on.
生まれました。神戸出身です。
Kobe Shushin this. Shushin is a citizen. So I'm a citizen of Kobe. Kobe is a place.
神戸で
はい、
生まれました。
Umaremashita. This phrase you have to do. So was born is umaremashita.
はい、私は神戸で生まれました。
神戸には何がありますか？
神戸はなんか港があります。
港、ビーチ。
ビーチはないんですけど、なんだろう、荷物の輸入とか輸出をしてる。
Minato. Now, what is a minato? It's a port. It's a harbor. So in Kobe, there is a harbor. So that is what she's saying. She's saying that Yushutsu and Yunyu. Yushutsu and Yunyu is import and export. So the place from where Nimotsu, the parcels and the luggages, everything, they are exported and imported. So that in Kobe, there is a minato. So that she is explaining to him.
港です。
じゃあ陽子さんは、
はい。
日本で仕事をしていますか？
私はアルバイトをしています。
So she's saying, I'm doing arubaito. Arubaito なんですか？ Arubaito って何ですか？ It is a part-time job. So she's doing a part-time job. He asked, are you doing job in Japan? 日本で仕事をしていますか? We are yet to do all of these.
アルバイト。
はい。
セブンイレブンでアルバイトをしていますか？
7-Eleven, that is 7-Eleven shops that are available in different countries. So he's asking, do you work in 7-Eleven shops?
セブンイレブンではないですね。私はお寿司屋さんでアルバイトをしています。
レストランですか？
小さいレストランです。
So that is a small restaurant. 7-Eleven じゃない。それは寿司屋です。寿司屋。Sushi is, everybody knows what is a sushi. It's a Japanese dish.
Sweet.
So it's a,
Sweet.
Hi, hi. So it's a sushi shop. Okay.
お寿司屋さん。
はい。
アルバイトね。
はい。でも普段は学生をしています。大学生です。
あ、大学生よ。
So she's a 大学生 and she's doing a part-time job.
はい。
じゃあ大学で何を勉強してますか？
大学では英語を勉強しています。
英語。
はい。
英語は、できますか？
英語は、留学に行っていたので、話せます。
あ、じゃあアメリカに、
はい、アメリカに1年間行っていました。
留学。
So she was in America for period of 1 year. 1年間行っていました。So there she learned English.
に行きました。
はい。はい、留学に行きました。
アメリカは好きですか？
アメリカは好きです。シアトルというところに行っていました。
はい。
So this way they are giving different conversations, so you can view one of this. So this is a very big conversation, 1 hour. So you can go through that and you can get to know what new words he's using. Okay, both are using new words, so you can just go through that and you can listen to this audio. Hey. So yes. So that is Benjiro Sensei. I'll type it. It is Benjiro. So he's talking to different Japanese nationals and this is all basic conversation. So please try listening to it. All right. Sugiwa. Okay, so the homework I have given you for today, that is Aiueo of katakana, kakikukeko, sashi suseso. Would you be able to do it, all of you? Minasan dekimasu ka? Dekimasu means would you be able to do it? Ability. Dekimasu, it shows ability. Just now he had also used no. Ek hoga dekimasu ka. So dekimasu is can you. This word is coming in N5 but very late. At the end of N5 this dekimasu is going to come. If you know it in advance, it's better. Hi. So would you be able to do? Aiueo, kakikukeko, sashi suseso. So ega dekimasu ka minasan? Hi, dekimasu ne? Hi, dekimasu.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi, arigato, minasan. So make a separate section after you have completed hiragana, the double consonants. Newly who have joined, please see the earlier audios and the videos. So there I have sent the JWPCE files also. Please download JWPCE software. It is available on Google, the free software. Download it. If you want to see, I'll just show you how it looks. Okay. So this is the JWPC. When I search, so it appears like this. In the Google, you will see this is kanji. Kanji cha kan ahe. So this you will see and you can download that. And when you open this, it is actually a dictionary, but now I'm using it for typing. So you can download this because whenever I send you JWPCE files, those will be opened in this only. So you have to open those files in JWPCE. And here what happens if I'm typing something? Vata Shiva Gakse. Yes. So it becomes easier to type also instead of the Google. And there is IMEs also, but I think this is better because it's having inbuilt dictionary also. We are using since long time, many years, and it is easier. So when you go on to the dictionaries, now what if I say Gakse, now there is one dictionary over here, Gakse. So you can see Gakse, I found out this dictionary, this word. The Jukugo is there and it means student. So easily you can find out the meaning also. So Gakse, I wrote it into kanjis. The blue color, that is a kanji, easily transferable. So this software is good for long use. It's offline software, so you can use it anytime for translations purposes. There are some limitations to JWPC, as in you cannot translate one single letter. But okay, as of now, it's very useful. So those who don't have JWPC, you can download this software and keep it with you. So whenever I send you any files, they can be opened there. So you can go through all the double consonants, combination letters that we had done last time. We can go through them one by one. Please practice for all of this hiragana. I'll send you the test tonight. And you may complete it tomorrow. And send the pictures to me. Send it on personal, send it on group, no problem. So send the correct, the answers written and send that pictures to me. After that, the katakana. So you have two homeworks. The newcomers have two homeworks. Revise all hiragana. Old ones also need to revise, I think. Today they were not speaking. As compared to earlier classes, they were not speaking. So maybe connectivity issues might also be there, but please practice for hiragana. And then katakana, shukudai. Okay. One more shukudai to all of you. That is, make sentences with wa, ka, no, mo. We have done these particles. Hai ne? So no, Joshi shimashita ne? JWPC again I'll share. So make sentences with wa. This is one particle. No, mo. Okay, this ka. Waka no mo. You know how to make the sentences. We have eva be this, eva be devarimasen, eva be deshta, eva be devarimasen deshta. So is not, was not. You can combine that into waka no mo ne. After that, after we are having a complete I mean, all of you are done with wa, ka, no, mo. We can go ahead with more of the particles. There are more, I mean, 15 to 20 particles to come. So particles, they create a problem if they are not clear. So that is why you have to know these basics. Va is, it is a topic marker. Ka, it is a question marker. No is off. In Marathi, you can say chachi che. In Hindi, you can say ka, iska, uska. So like this, it's showing the possession, that is no. And mo, what happens? Mo is also. Bhi, Hindi में जो भी बोलते हैं, Marathi सुद्धा. So that is mo. So in this way, you combine is not, was not with waka no mo and write down the sentences. Preferably try writing it in hiragana, completely in hiragana. Do not use romaji now. So you can use simple sentences. Eva be this, emo be this, eva be this ka, eva be no see this, emo be this. Okay, this ka. So that is your third shukudai. So 3 shukudai for today. Okay, this ka. Hi, okay, this ka. So until and unless we have a grip on the language. Hi. So once hiragana is done, we can go speedily. But now I think we should go slow and steady. So let's go slow and steady and you can complete your hiragana and the katakana. Hi, okay, this ka, minasan. So shall we end it up here? Any questions, anything you want to ask?
Ma'am, which script is used more frequently, hiragana or katakana?
Now see what happens. Hi, Kundan-san, you can give your experiences about when you went to Japan. What did you see most of the times, hiragana or katakana?
Sorry, could you repeat your question?
Hi, Kundan-san, when you had been to Japan, when you were staying there, what did you experience most of the times? Was it hiragana, was it katakana, or was it kanji? Which script did you see most of the times? Because we had a question. Which script is maximum used? It is hiragana or it is katakana? Which one?
Hiragana, I was, hiragana and kanji were there.
Okay.
But yeah, in business terminologies, we were mostly using katakana.
Okay. So that is related to ITs, right? So the IT terminologies that you were using in day-to-day activities. So that was mostly katakana. Yes. What about when you were going around in the shops and everything? Which script were you seeing there?
Hiragana only. Hiragana and kanjis.
Hiragana and kanjis. Okay. Okay, this ka. What happens is hiragana is having the basic words. For example, I want to say nimotsu. Nimotsu is luggage. Somebody has written there, so do not keep your luggage over here. So nimotsu desu ne, nimotsu. But instead of that nimotsu written in hiragana, they can write in kanjis as well. So they prefer kanjis. So that is the hurdle. We have to cross that big hurdle. Hence, hiragana and katakana we will finish off and then we will start with that big hurdle. Actually, it's not a hurdle. Don't create it that image. Kanji is very interesting. So if you be friendly with the kanjis, kanjis will be friendly with you. So do not worry. There is a logic for every kanji. Okay. And foreign words are written in katakana. So IT words would be there in katakana, like automation, like computer. So all of these words will be in katakana.
And ma'am, do they use mixed
your voice is
hiragana and katakana? Hello.
I was not able to hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Do they use both script? Mixed means both the script
Yes.
in one.
Yes, they
one
do.
Sentence or
Yes, I'll give you some words. For example, this is a word. Anybody who would read this? Those who know katakana, hai? Kureva katakana, ne? Hi, Shambhavi-san, kurega yomimasu ka?
Keshi Gomi.
Gomu. Hi, Keshi Gomu desu ne? So what is happening here? They are taking Keshi from Hiragana and Gomu from Katakana. So certain combination words are there where they are using Hiragana and Katakana mixing together. Again, a word called Denshi, Renji. Denshi is electronic, Renji is range. So electronic range, the microwave ovens, they are called Denshi Renji. Here again, the Renji word is Katakana word and Denshi is Hiragana, right? So like these mixtures are also there. They are limited, not much. Not a lot of words are there, but Hiragana and Katakana will be used together, yes, mixed up as well. So today I went to Miller's house. Kyo, Mira-san no uchi e ikimashita ne. So Mira-san you will be writing in Katakana. So wherever needed, wherever foreign words are coming, there they will be using those foreign words in Katakana. And other words, for example, grammar patterns. Now we are writing all of these patterns, right? These are parts of speech, etc. Particles. So particles and everything would be in Hiragana. So all grammar parts of speech, grammar would be in Hiragana. Always, huh? It will not be in Katakana. Katakana is just to denote that particular word. If I want to say that is a television, so sore wa tere bhi this. Tere bhi will be in Katakana, but that sore wa etc. that will all be in Hiragana. Wakarimashita ka?
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, Katakana is easier than Hiragana. Most of the times the foreign brands and everything, they are written in Katakana. The McDonald's would be written in Katakana. It will not be in Kanji or it will not be in Hiragana. Cannot write. Okay. So mostly the foreign brands, they use lot of Katakanas in magazines also. Now there was okay, I will send you a screenshot that one website I was viewing. It was a online web course, web designing course in Japan. So lot of words they had written in Katakana. So I'll send you the screenshot. You can just go through that. Okay, this ka. So there will be a mixture. There will be a mixture of all three of them and we need all three of them. Hiragana, Katakana, Kanji. Okay, so today's homework is revising Hiragana, all of the combination, the double consonants, all of these extra informations also, plus the letters, Akasatana, Hamayara, An. Then start with A, I, U, E, O, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko, Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So. These three series of Katakana and then make sentences with Vaka, Nomo. Vaka, Nomo, any sentences you can make. So next class, firstly, I will ask you these sentences. Okay, this Kamina-san?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I also wanted to know the JLPT N5 level exam fees.
JLPT N5 level exam fees, it's around 1,000 something. Around about 1,100 or something. And as of now, it's not sure whether the exam is going to be conducted or not. Even December is dicey because the present situation in Pune is not good. Even NAT exam, sir is saying that NAT exam will be held, but we don't know. We don't know yet. So let's see. So December attempt is also not sure. And fees is around 1,000 rupees and you can give, you can register in August. For JLPT, you can register in August. And for NAT, you can register 1.5 or 2 months before the exam. So NAT exam is every alternate month. So would be letting you know because everybody wants to give the exam, right? So I would be letting you know, I'm talking to Pradeep sir about this. And let's see, once we complete the portion, we complete the N5 syllabus, all of that, then we will decide.
Okay, ma'am. And if we clear N5 level, then only can we go for N4. Is it like that?
No, it's not like that. You can go for N2 also now.
Okay.
So there is no such restriction. But thing is that you have to know the basics. If you know the basics, you can jump.
Yes, because it had validity, so I thought of giving it later.
It's not preferable actually because when you don't know the basics, how can you go on the upper level?
Yes,
again you'll
yes.
have to fall back. So go step by step. Let it take time. Okay? At times
Okay.
people go on to the next level and then they again have to repeat the basic level. So don't do that. You will go step by step. Don't worry. Just clear the concepts. At least certificate is not important. Important is that you are able to speak, right?
Yes, yes. That's more important.
So there are many people who are working there. They don't know. They don't have JLPT certification. Still, they are working. They are working there. In India, they require JLPT certificates. But yes, when you get acquainted with the language, it's easier. Much easier. So don't worry about that certification and everything. We'll first clear the basics.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hi. これで終わりましょうか。これで終わりましょうか。Shall we finish? 終わりましょうか。はい、終わりましょうか。
はい。
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. We'll stop here. Please do your homework and we'll meet on in the next class on Friday. Kinyobi, ne? Kinyobi. We'll do the days of the week. Hi, minasan. Otsukare-sama desu.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Hi. So, Otsukare-sama desu. That is all for today. For those who don't know, that is all for today. I am done for today. And then you can say Arigatou gozaimasu, or you can also say Otsukare-sama desu. No worries. Hi, Otsukare-sama desu.
Arigato.
Hi, arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Hi, arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Hi.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Hi.